Verbs, okay, verbs in French language are of two kinds. How many kinds of verbs? There are two kinds of verbs. One is régulier, okay, one is régulier and one is irrégulier. Okay, what do you mean by régulier and irrégulier? Régulier is regular and irrégulier is irregular. When I say a verb is regular, that means it has some rule to follow. Okay, when I say it is a regular group of verb, that means what it has, okay, some rule to follow. On va suivre les règles. Règle means rule. What is règle? Rule. Okay, so this means we are going to follow some. Suivre means to follow. Some rules. Okay, fine. Irrégulier is il n'y a pas de règle. Okay, il n'y a pas de règle means there is no rule to follow. Okay, there is no rule to follow. On doit apprendre les conjugations. What do you mean by apprendre? To learn. What is apprendre? To learn. So, on doit apprendre or les conjugations means we should learn the conjugation. Why we should learn the conjugation? Because there is no rule. You're getting? Okay. So, il n'y a pas de règle. Il n'y a pas de règle means there is no rule to conjugate. Okay. On doit apprendre la conjugation. On doit apprendre la conjugation means we need to learn the conjugation. Apprendre les conjugations. Okay. What do you mean by apprendre? I said learn. Okay. So we have to learn the conjugation. Can you tell me the verbs that we have learned so far, that is être, avoir, aller, venir, faire? Was there any rule to conjugate or we had to learn as such? The verbs that we have done, être, avoir, aller, venir and faire, was there any rule to conjugate or we learnt them?
We learned them.
We learnt them. So now tell me, être, avoir, aller, venir, faire is a regular group of verb or an irregular group of verb?
Irregular.
Exactly. तो अभी तक हमने regular करे ही नहीं है. Understood? So your être, avoir, aller, these all are what?
Irregular.
Irregular. Understood? Goes on. Fine. Now, regular, we are going to do two kinds. Again, regular is of how many kinds? Two kinds. What are the two kinds? One is ER group of verb and the second one is IR group of verbs. Okay, one is what? ER group of verb and the one is IR group of verb. And irregular, they mostly end by RE. How they end? RE. Okay, fine. So regular is what? Verbs, ER group of verb and IR group of verb. And irregular is normally they are RE, but there are always exceptions. Understood? Okay. For example, Ale is ending with ER. Ale is ending with what, children? ER, but still it is an irregular group of verb. It is not an ER group of verb. Avoir and venir, ahwar and venir, they are ending by ir, but still it is in what group of verb? Irregular group of verbs. So you have exceptions in each and every case. Understood? Got it? Yes. So this is your verbs. Okay. This is your what? Verbs. Verbs are of how many kinds? Two kinds. One is régulier and one is irrégulier. Régulier encore okay, the type, the sort, two types. One is er and one is what, children? Ahyar. Okay. And irregular is re group of verb. Understood? Yes? Is it clear? यहाँ पे किसी को doubt है? Anyone has doubt till here? Now shall we go to ER group of verb? Now we are going to conjugate ER group of verbs. Okay? Let's see how are we going to conjugate. Okay. The verbs that are ending with ER, okay, the verbs that are ending with ER are called as ER group of verbs. So what is the identification of ER group of verbs? The verbs which are
ending with er.
Yes, which are ending with चला दे okay. So the verbs which are ending by er or with er are called as er group of verb. Par example means for example. Okay. The first I'm writing par example means for example. Okay. Like manger, manger. Okay. This is ending with er, children. Yes. Aimer. Okay. Then you have adore. These all are ending with what, children? Er. So manger is to eat. Aimer is to like, or and adore is to love. Okay, fine. So the verbs which are ending with er are called as what group of verbs? Er group of verbs. Okay, when you find that the verb is an er group of verb, then you need to use, okay, some rules. What are those rules that you're going to use it? Yeah. So the first step to conjugate the er group of verb is, yeah, we need to take out the radical. That is called as radical. We need to take out the radical. Okay. So steps to follow. To do the conjugation, the first step that you need to follow is cut. Cut er, okay, from the ending of the verb. Please do write your rules very carefully because these are your saviors. जब मैं नहीं हूं तुम्हारे सामने, these are going to help you out. Okay, cut er from the ending of the verb. Okay, to frame what? What we call it as radical. We call this is at what, children? Radical, and it is represented by capital R in your verbs. It is represented by what? Capital R in your verbs. For example, okay, for example, if you take a verb called Habite. Habite is to live. What is habite, children? To live. So what I'll do, the first thing, I will cut what, children?
ER.
ER. तो मैं अपना ER कट करूंगी. When I cut the ER, so my radical which is left, okay, is what? HABI and T. Abi. This is my radical which is left because I have, what I have done? I have cut my ER. Is it clear? सबसे पहला step, what do? You cut your ER and you frame the radical. Understood? After cutting ER and after framing the radical, we add the endings. Add को हम फ्रेंच में आश्रुत बोलते हैं. On आश्रुत ले termination. What do you mean by termination? That means endings. So what are the endings? Okay. Then we add, okay, necessary endings. Okay. According to the, with respect to, WRT means with respect to the subject. So whatever the subject is, उस subject के हिसाब से along with the radical, we add what, children? The endings. Now, what are the endings that we need to follow with respect to, okay, the subject? So this is very important, the table that we are going to write it right now. So first of all, write your pronoun sujet. What are your pronoun sujet, children? Je, tu, il, elle, on. Okay? Nous, vous, and then il and elle, pluriel. Yes? Here, with je, we have to add radical first. Along with the radical, okay, we have to add radical everywhere. What is the radical? Can anyone tell me how we fetch the radical? How we fetch the radical, kids?
Cut the ER
By
from
cutting
the ending.
ER, okay, whatever you get, the leftover is your radical.
Radical.
So in the case of je, along with the radical, we are going to add an E. With tu, along with the radical, we are going to add what? ES.
Yes.
With il and L, along with the radical, we are going to add an E. With nu, along with the radical, we are going to add ONS. With vu, along with the radical, we are going to add EZ. With il and L, along with the radical, we are going to add ENT. Okay? Understood? Yeah? With je, along with the radical, we are going to add an E. With tu, along with the radical, we are going to add an ES. With il, along with the radical, we are going to add an E. With nu, ONS. With vu, EZ. And with il and L, what, children? Again? ENT. Yep. Now we are going to follow this rule, okay, for an conjugation of verb which is called parler. Parler is to speak. What is parler, children? To speak. Yes. What we gonna do first? Yep. So I hope everyone knows the difference between an infinitive form of the verb and the conjugation. Yes. Infinitive form is the base form, to plus form of the verb, which is the whole verb. Okay. We don't use the whole verb, okay, while speaking with the subject. We always conjugate the verb. But when one verb is conjugated and the second verb is also coming, the second verb will come in its what form? Infinitive form. Yep. So now the first verb is what, children, that we are going to do? We are going to do the first verb as parler. Parler is to speak. So what is the first step that we're going to do? We're going to fetch our radical. How to fetch our radical? By cutting this, what, children?
ER.
ER. So my radical for this is PARL. What is the radical for this? PARL. Now along with the radical, what I'm going to do? Okay. Now first thing, I'm gonna write all my pronoun सूत्रे, that is je, tu, il, elle, on. Okay? Nous, vous, il, and elle, plurial. Yes, am I right? Now, I'm gonna write my radical and then I'm gonna add my endings. Okay? Can you write like this? Is it right? I capital and L capital. Is it right? I is the
No.
subject, ये भी capital है, and like is the verb. It is also starting with a capital block letter. Is it right?
No.
No ना? तो आपका parl जो start होगा, it will not start with a capital block P. It will start with a small p because it is the verb. Am I right? आप capital P से start नहीं करेंगे. You will start with a small p. Okay? So this will be what? PARL. Okay? Again, I'm writing the radical PARL. Again, PARL. Again, PARL. I'm writing all the radicals first. And then I'm going to add what, children? The endings. Now, as I have added all the radicals, what are the endings that we're going to add? With respect to je, I'm going to add E. Tu, what, children? Yes. Ilel, E. Nu,
OMS.
ONS. Vu, easy.
Easy.
LNL, ENT. Understood? Yes? Okay. So whenever I have to say I speak, I will say je parle. Whenever I have to say I speak, I will say what, children? Je parle. Je parle. Okay. Whenever I have to say you speak, I will say tu parles. Okay. The pronunciation of this, and this will be same. Parle, 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 parle. You're getting it? It is not parlent. Please no. It's only what? Parle. You are not going to speak the last consonant. C'est clair? Oui? Okay? The pronunciation of je form of verb, tu form of verb, il form of verb, and il and l plurial form of the verb will be same. So, it is what? When I say I speak, what I'll say? I'll say je parle. Yeah? This will be what, children? Je parle. Okay? When I have to say you speak, I'll say what, children? Tu parles. When I say he, she, okay? Il parle. And then what else? Elle parle. Or on parle. Okay? Then coming to il, here also it is not ils, it is il parle. Okay? And again what, children? Elle parle. Okay? So the pronunciation of je part of the conjugation, tu part of the conjugation, il part of the conjugation, and il and l plural part of the conjugation is same. Parle, 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 parle. Okay? Now, whenever you conjugate the verb in nu form, you take an o sound. What sound? O sound. Okay? Whenever you conjugate with vu form, you take a sound. O, a. O, a. So this is what? Nous, okay? Nous parlons, okay? Nous parlons. And vous, what, children? Vous, what sound?
A sound.
A sound. Vous parlez. Okay? Je parle, tu parles, il parle, elle parle, nous parlons, vous parlez. Okay? Il parle, elle parle. Okay? Got it? Yep. Okay, the conjugation of je, tu, il, elle, and il and elle we will pronounce in the same manner. And with nu we will go for O sound and vu we will go for A
Consonant.
sound. Okay. Now the second verb that we're gonna do over here is habite. What is the difference between the first verb and the second verb? The first verb is starting with a consonant P. Am I right? The second verb is starting with an vowel called H. Habite is to live. What is habite, children? To live. What do you mean by habite? Habite is to habite is to live. So what is the difference between parler and habite? Parler is starting with a what, children?
Consonant P.
And habite is starting with
Vowel H.
vowel H. So first thing we have to take out a radical. Arsh, how we will take out a radical? Tell me.
We will cut the ER, then it will be HABIT, habit.
Habit. Okay,
Habit.
habit nahi, habit. Okay, so the first step is we will cut what, children? The ER.
ER.
Yes. One sec. We will cut ER. Okay, so what is our radical? HABIT. Okay, HABIT. Yes. Then we are going to write our pronoun sujets, that is je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, elle. Check the group, Manya. So I'm writing the radical here and then I'll be adding the ending. What is the difference between the first verb abit, the first verb parler and the second verb abit is what? The first one was started with a consonant. The second is starting with a
Vowels.
vowel. So this is E and this is H. So there is a clash of
Vowels.
vowel. There is a clash of vowel. So the clash of vowel, what we will do, we will cut E from here and we will put an apostrophe. Okay, this happens only in the case of je. So this will be je and then बीत. ये और किसी प्रोनोम में नहीं होगा. And how will you pronounce? You will be pronouncing together because it is following lésion. Lésion means a consonant is followed by a vowel. इसको हम कैसे pronounce करेंगे? We will be pronouncing it as jabit. How we will pronounce this?
Jabit.
Jabit. It is not jabit. Nope. Jabit. And habit. It is not habit. It is abit. Okay. In the form tu form, what we will do? HABIT. And then what we will add? ES. Okay. And what we will pronounce? Tu abit. Okay. Tu abit. Okay. With O, what we will write? HABI and then what, children? What is the ending? E. Ilabit, elabit. Okay. With nu, what we will do?
ONS.
Yes. Abit and then The radical ONS. The ending ONS. With wu, the radical abit, and what we will write?
EZ.
EZ.
And with elen L,
ENT.
okay? So, how we will pronounce? Will you pronounce nu abito or nu zabito? How we will pronounce nu abito or nu zabito?
No zabito.
Yes, you will be pronouncing
No zabito.
together.
Zabito.
So, yes, it will be nu zabito. Okay? Then, vu
Zabito.
zabite. Okay? And then, el sabit. What is, why sabit? Why not abit? Why sabit?
Same lesio.
Same lesio. Getting it? Fine? Okay? So, jabit adeli, tu habit, atrono, il habite à Paris, elle habite à Lyon, nous habitons, okay, sur la terre means on the earth. Terre is what, children?
To
Earth.
be.
Earth.
Yes. Nous habitons sur la terre. Vous habitez où? Vous habitez où means where do you live? Okay. Ils habitent, elles habitent. Understood? C'est clair? Okay.
Any
What's the
question
tip?
है
Yes.
जो मैम जाबीत जब हम करते हैं तो हम लेजियम लगाते हैं बट
हम्म
TUH है तो U भी और H भी है तब भी हम लगाएंगे उसमें
नहीं लगाएंगे. The reason is wherever you are replacing it with an apostrophe. Okay, it is already told because it is always told it is a clash of a vowel. ठीक है ना? But what is the thing is जब आपका E और H जैसे जब भी आपका apostrophe लगता है you always remember वो apostrophe जो है वो E के लिए लगा है कभी U के लिए नहीं लगता है. किसके लिए लगता है?
E के लिए
E के लिए लगता है. Whenever you are doing say also, C apostrophe EST भी आप जब लिखते हो say के लिए, that apostrophe is for E. Okay, getting it? जब आपने je suis, tu es, il est, elle est किया, je suis was normal, tu is you and E, S was also E was an vowel. वहां तो आपने कट करके apostrophe नहीं लगाया, लेजियो नहीं किया, एलिजियो नहीं किया. Why? बिकॉज आपका अपॉस्ट्रफी नॉर्मली किसके लिए लगता है?
E के लिए
ई के लिए लगता है. गॉट इट? यस. से क्लियर?
बस
ओके. व्हाट्स द फर्स्ट स्टेप चिल्ड्रन? फर्स्ट स्टेप वी चेक इज इट एन ईआर ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ब और नॉट. हाउ वी चेक इज इट इज एन ईआर ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ब?
ending with ER
Very good, Sulba. Ending with ER, so it is ER group of verb. Then what we do? After finding it is an ER group of verb, we cut what, children? ER from the,
ER
yes, to get the
radical
Radical.
These are some verbs which are very important with respect to TEF. One is annule. Annule is to cancel. What is annule, children?
cancel
Okay. To cancel. Il annule son rendezvous. What is rendezvous?
appointment और किसी
Yes,
को मिलना
appointment. Okay. The second verb that we are going to do, which is a very frequent verb in TEF examination, is refuse. Okay? Nous refusons l'invitation. What is l'invitation? The
Invitation.
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 Okay? Vous augmentez. Augmenter. Augmenter is to add. What is augmenter? Add or increase. Augmenter exactly will be increase. Okay? Votre travail. What do you mean by votre travail?
Your work.
Yes. Okay? And tu ajouter. Ajouter is to add. Ajouter is what, children?
To add.
Huh. Okay? Du sel dans la soupe. What do you mean by du sel dans la soupe? Sel is salt, dans la soupe is soup. These four verbs are very important verbs with respect to what? Your TEF exams. You will be finding these verbs, okay, in the question paper for sure. Okay? These are that much what? Important. Nous éviter. Éviter is to avoid. What is éviter? Avoid. Nous éviter, okay, la stress. What is stress, children?
Stress.
The stress. Nous éviter la stress means we
Don't take stress.
we avoid the stress. Okay. Can we start? I guess stress is masculine, but let me check. Okay. Shall we start? It's le. Okay. Who will answer? Il annule son rendezvous, Chandan?
Il annule son rendezvous.
How will you conjugate it? Is it
Uh,
annule or annule?
Annule. Annule.
So, A,
Annule.
very good. Il annule son rendez-vous. Nous refusons l'invitation. Sulba, what
It's
we will do, Sulba? Uh-huh.
we will first remove ER and then
Mhm.
we will add ONS.
Yes, tell me.
Nous
Mm-hmm.
refusons,
Hmm.
refusons,
Zon.
nous
Nous
Refuso.
Refuse, and then we're gonna add what, children? ONS. Okay. No refuso l'invitation means we refuse the.
Invitation.
Wait a sec. Dheeraj, augmente.
ऑगमोंटे ही रहेगा उसका.
Yes,
EZ लग
ER के
जाएगा.
बदले what we will add?
EZ.
Yes. Next, Arsh.
इसमें आजुते में ES आ जाएगा एंड पे ER रिमूव
Yes,
करके.
yes, very good. So this will be AJOUT and then
ES.
yes, Ajut. Next, Manya.
Nous évitons.
Nous évitons les ions. Please remember, okay? Nous évitons le stress. That means we avoid the stress. Okay? Any doubt here? Anyone has? Is it clear for everyone? I'm giving you, I have already given a worksheet. Okay? There might be some exceptions. I want you to still do it, the worksheet, so that you learn something. Okay? And I'm going to give you the verb list of ER. Okay? There are 4 pages in that. Okay? In that, there are most frequently used ER group of verbs are given. I want you to learn at least 5 in a day. At least what in a day? 5 in a day. Because this is gonna help with your vocab. For example, just see, I have said